when you're in a position of leadership in an institution like a court, you have a lot of people that come to you. A lot of times they come to you with concerns and complaints, and legitimately, but there's not always a resolution. There's not always a solution or recommendations, or they're pretty focused on maybe one thing. Margie and Laurie came and really said, what can we do to help? I mean, and when you're in a position like I'm in, it's pretty incredible to have people with that kind of talent who say, what can we do to help? Not, your system stinks, you're hurting people. It's like, let's get beyond that, let's figure out, how can we help people through this process? What can we do? And very quickly they learned what things were under my control as the Chief Justice and what were out of my control, whether it be the Governor's Council and looking at what the governor should be looking at in new judges. And we have Judge Stark here, who's one of our newest judges, and she recently went through the Governor's Council and J&C, and she's incredibly talented and smart and passionate about the law. But she was asked questions that you provided to the Governor's Council about coercive control, about abusive litigation. So you have managed to find your way in to have a positive impact on our court. Whether it be legislation, you were very supportive right away of our need for more resources, our need for more judges, and you stepped right up and advocated. And there's some times when we have not agreed, but we worked together and we worked through it. So I'm just very, very grateful for what you have done and what the coalition has done